Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and how to make the most of them. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to get Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch. This feature is a total game changer for 2025, letting you make contactless payments, store your cards, and manage passes right from your wrist. It's easy, fast, and we'll have you set up in no time. So, grab your Samsung Watch and let's dive in. First off, before we start, make sure your Samsung Watch is running the latest software update. You'll also need a compatible smartphone paired with it and a Google account ready to go. This ensures everything syncs smoothly without any hiccups. Step 1. On your Samsung Watch, open the Google Play Store. If you don't see it, head to your phone's Galaxy Wearable app, go to the Play Store section, and download it directly to your watch. Step 2. Once in the Play Store, search for Google Wallet and hit install. It should only take a minute or two to download. Step 3. After installation, open the Google Wallet app on your watch and sign in with your Google account. You might need to confirm on your phone for security reasons. Step 4. Now, follow the simple on-screen prompts to add your payment methods. This could include linking your credit cards or digital passes. Just enter the details as guided. Step 5. Once everything's added, you're good to go. You can now access Google Wallet from your watch's app menu and start using it for payments. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues, like the app not appearing, try restarting your watch or ensuring your devices are connected via Bluetooth. It's that straightforward. And there you have it: Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch, ready for all your on-the-go needs in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below with your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.